So, all right, so we're just gonna do a quick update on the severe weather before more long-term coverage later tonight. Um, so hello everyone. So just gonna do a little quick update on the severe weather right now. For more long-term coverage. In about an hour to an hour and a half. So we have this not moderate, enhanced risk over parts of Arkansas, Missouri, Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, and Indiana. And within this zone, we do have a 10% hatch risk for tornadoes, which the hatch basically means an EF2 or EF5 possible. I think there's definitely going to be an EF2, maybe EF3 tornado today. It's hard to tell right now. There's been some cloud cover, but the clouds are breaking and there's becoming more instability. And there's also several warnings right now as well. And we do, in this newest update, we have a 30% hatch risk of significant winds, which is over 65 knots. And then the hail threat, we have this 30% area of some large hail possible. So take a look at the radar right now. We have several warnings right now. Let's see. So this is a different radar set. We have warnings in Kentucky, Missouri. We also actually have one, looks like in Arizona. Yeah, we have a severe warning in Arizona as well. But that's not where the main threat's going to be. The main threat's going to be in the Ohio, Tennessee River valleys. So that's what we're going to be focusing our attention on right now. So here's several. This storm right here, this is in Kentucky right now. Some large hails possible with this in this purple color. There's been a bit of rotation with this. It has not had enough to go tornado warn yet. Let's see what this is, 4 quarters and 60-mile-per-hour winds with this storm here. I think in this purple color you might have some hail in excess of an inch in diameter. So go here. And we do have this tornado watch stretching from Oklahoma all the way into Indiana. And in between, we do have the warnings right now. Warning in a little part of Oklahoma, and then part of Arkansas, and then another one in northern Arkansas, Missouri right now, and Kentucky has some severe warning storms right now. So here's the storm. It's for on the different radar sites for quarter-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So we'll put this into a velocity mode and take a look. And yeah, there's a pretty good wind signature here. Let's see what we're getting for winds. We're getting winds over 40 miles per hour with this. As pixels 53 miles per hour. So these are definitely some strong winds here. And it's going to be moving. Let's see here. Manual tracking. So let's see which way. Oops, wrong thing. That's bad. Reflectivity. And it's going to be moving to the east at about 51 miles per hour. So these are fast-moving storms as well. So it's going to be in Powderly in about 17 minutes. Central City, 18 minutes. And so Rochester as well, 34 minutes. Morgantown, 47 minutes. Woodbury, 51 minutes as well. And we do actually now have a tornado warning in effect in Kentucky for this cell here. A radar indicated tornado and inch in diameter hail. So now we have the first tornado warning of the day in effect in Kentucky right now. So we'll be diving to this in 1 second. All right. So put this into reflectivity mode now, or velocity mode, and it's actually difficult to see on this radar site. Yeah. So we'll actually jar level X. Go here, and yeah, there's this little bit of a couplet here. Southwest of Bee Springs. There's a tiny couplet right now. It's a radar-indicated tornado. It's a severe storm capable of producing a tornado 10 miles northwest of Brownsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards with this storm include 60 mile per or not tornado and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar indicated tornado. Locations impacted: Round Hill, Black Gold, Broadway, Sadler, Nash, Sunfish, Straw, Huff, and Conway. So we have the first tornado warning of the day right now. So, yep. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning for this area as well. So we'll go here. So yeah, we're a bit away, trying to find a different radar site to use. This one might be better. So this might be a better radar to use once it loads in. Again, tornado warning in effect. Yeah, there's a bit of a couplet here. Not as significantly strong couplet though. So we'll put this track on here. Not many populated areas with this. Bonneville in about 49, 50 minutes. Upton in about 53 minutes. So there's that track on that storm. Zoom this out. And yeah, I think this one has a potential of going warned as well soon. You got some strong winds with this as well. Actually, let's take a reading here of what we have. So in this area, we have winds of just around 60 miles per hour, and the outbounds of 20 to 40 miles per hour. So yeah, we do have these strong winds with this storm, and that's why there's a severe thunderstorm warning with that for 60 mile per hour winds. And yeah, this whole area is under the tornado watch, as I mentioned earlier, stretching from southeast Oklahoma all the way into southern Indiana. So we're gonna actually go and just check, see if there is anything on the ground. We're just gonna go and check the correlation coefficient. I don't think right here might be something, but there's not a strong rotation. Let's see what it is. 97. Yeah, it's not that big of a couplet right now, debris signature right now, so I'd wait until it gets a little lower. And yeah, there it is. There might be something here. I'm not gonna really be concerned right now. If it keeps showing that, we'll definitely be watching it really carefully. Back to reflectivity. It does have a hook echo on it, which is a concerning signature, so it's got a hook on it. So this means this is a supercell storm. It actually is a very clear supercell storm. So yeah, that's going to be one to definitely keep an eye on. Look at some of this large hail in here that could be up to or just over 1 inch in diameter. So this is a very severe storm here, and this does have the potential to produce some very powerful winds as well. We were just looking at those radar estimating gusts over 60 miles per hour within that storm. And this is closer to the radar site too, so it tells you you're getting a good reading here. So if you're just joining, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather stretching from parts of central Arkansas all the way to central Kentucky and southern Indiana, southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri, and then parts of northern Tennessee. We do have this 10% hatched area of tornadoes, which means potential for some stronger to significant tornadoes. And that just means there could be the 10% probability of an EF2 to EF5 tornado. Right now, some of the conditions are there, but we're just going to have to wait and see what happens with these storms. Hail's a little messed up right now. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens with these storms at this point. See what happens. So, yeah, go back here. Oops. So there's that storm. Also, this is getting a decent hail core. Put on this radar for better. Yeah, there's definitely some stronger winds in this cell. Take this off. And we'll just put this on a loop right now of these storms. We'll take this out of both panels, and yeah, that's a decent supercellular shape on that storm. And we'll just play this. And this storm has had a history of producing hail and damaging winds as well. It traveled all the way from Kentucky, or not Kentucky, Illinois, southern Illinois. And this is a newly developed storm here that's tornado warned. So this has the potential to stay on the ground for a decent period of time. So, yeah, these are all going to be turning into stronger storms as well. This one is just maintaining strength as well. So we're going to be watching these storms very, very carefully. We also have cells developing out in Arkansas, Oklahoma as well, into Missouri as well. So take a look at this storm. That's on the Arkansas. Actually, it's in Arkansas now. Decent hail core with this storm towards Midland, Arkansas. So, yeah, we have this little area of storms as well. Not severe, below severe limits. This storm is for 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail as well. Sorry about that. We'll move on off to the north, and I'll keep an eye on that one. That looks like it has a little bit of a hook echo to it. So, yeah, it's got a decent hail core to it. This is for quarter-sized hail probably, or half-dollar-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So we'll take a look at how this storm has been progressing. So, yeah, that's had a decent hail core. So this storm has had a history over Henderson, Arkansas. This storm looks to have produced some big hail as well. So, yeah, that's a decent hail core. And it's been starting to move to the south as well. This storm's starting to perk up a little bit. We might have to watch that one as well. So, yeah, I'm gonna go and head off now. I'll be doing more coverage later tonight on this outbreak. Just gonna try to get some things set up a little bit more, and then we'll see you guys in a little bit. Stay safe. You are in the path of these storms. Heed the warnings, and yeah, just be safe out there.